and today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial of how to do this clown makeup here. It was really easy and you can do it with any eyeshadow that you want. I've chosen to do it with pink. If you do want to see how I did it, then just keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to start with my eyebrows today. I'm going to do my eyebrows and then my eyes first because I'm going to do quite a dramatic eyeshadow look and I don't want any fallout. So I'm taking the Benefit spoolie and brush and I'm just going to brush my eyebrows up. Got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Blonde. I think this is the lightest one that they do. And then I'm just taking that Benefit brush and just going in. And then I'm just going to underline the bottom of my eyebrows. So I just draw a line like that underneath and then just take the brush down and just brush that up. So once that's brushed up, I go back in with the Dip Brow and then I just draw little lines going up through my eyebrows. And this just shades them in a little bit more, it gives them more colour. It looks like that and then it's just like gives a shape underneath and then just a bit of colour through. And then I also, I go in with just like soap and water and I spray the soap. You've probably seen this on Instagram. And then I take a small spoolie and I just rub it on the spoolie, like the soap, and just brush my eyebrows upwards to give them a fluffy effect. And once I've done that, if they're still a bit light, then I'll just go back in with Anastasia Dip Brow and then just make the tail a little bit longer or just put a bit more colour through them. And then just brush them back up to keep the shape of them. And once I've done that, I'm just going to take Benefit Gimme Brow and just to give it that little bit more colour because I have really light eyebrows. And this just sets them that little bit more. So now I'm using the e.l.f. concealer and I just put that a dot underneath my eye and then just carve the bottom of my eyebrow out a little bit. You don't need a lot of this because a little goes a long way with this, so literally just grab a little bit on the brush and then carve around the eyebrow. Both my eyebrows are done and then I'm just going to take that concealer again and I'm just going to put it all over my lid just to give it a base for the eyeshadow. And I just blend that in with my mini sponge by Real Techniques. Also, at the minute, me and Jasmine have got a video that's been trying to be posted, but when we tried it on the Saturday night, it wouldn't post. So we're trying again today, and is it posting? No idea if it's working out. So this video might be going up before our weekend video, and we've tried our best to post it, but there's nothing else we can do. Like we were trying all Saturday night to get it posted, it just wasn't working at all. Going on to the eyes, I'm going to be doing the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm also going to be using the Morphe palette. This is the colourful one. That it's the 35B as well, so I'm going to be using these two together. I'm going to start by using the colour White Peach, which is the white shade here, and I'm just going to use this to set my lid so my concealer doesn't crease. Just put this all on my lid going up to my eyebrow. For my crease, I'm going to mix the shade Georgia, which is this pink, light pink shade here, and then I'm also going to take Candied Peach, which is this more pinky shade, and then just put that above my crease and in the crease. This is obviously going to be a really wearable clown makeup, so if you don't want to look scary with Halloween, this is the perfect one because it's still got a lot of normal makeup that you can use to still make it look pretty. Right, so I'm deepening the crease with this Morphe palette and I'm using the shade here. They don't have names, I don't think. This is just like a bit of a darker pink that I can put in my crease. Because I'm really sorry if you hear that music, it is my brother's bedroom and he thinks that he can play music as loud as he wants. I'm going to take this purple colour, this one here. This is just going to go in the outer corner just to deepen everything all up and make it all darker. Now I'm just going to build this up and then blend it all out afterwards. So I'm just patting this on. This is the Real Techniques domed shadow brush and it's just like fluffy but like angled at the same time, so it fits perfectly for the outer corner. I'm going to take a fluffier brush to blend it all back out together. This is by BH Cosmetics and I bought this on its own, it's just a large blending brush. So it doesn't really matter at the moment how messy you are with it because obviously we've no base makeup on. So you can be as messy as you want with it and then clean it up later. So I'm not going to do a cut crease but I am still going to do a glitter on my lid. And I'm just going to take this pinky shade here, it's just a pink glitter with a little bit of water just to give it a bit more shine. That's all I'm going to do for the eyes for now. I'm just going to move on to base for a little bit. So I'm starting by taking the L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Base. This is just a really good primer, it's actually going all shiny. I actually do really like this. I just put it on each side of my nose, on my forehead and on my chin. Then I take this, it's quite a fluffy brush but it blends out the primer in really easy because I don't like using my fingers. Luckily for us, me and Jasmine are off college for Halloween. So if you want to find us on anything like Twitter, YouNow, Snapchat, then they'll be in the description and they're also on the banner. I think Jasmine made it last night, didn't you? Right, so moving on to foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I really do like this, I've used it quite a lot. The thing that I don't really like about this foundation is it does go oily quite quickly. Keep in mind that you need powder with you because you'll probably got oil on your forehead and like around your nose. Take a Real Techniques sponge to blend it in. I'd say it's like a medium high coverage. £9.99 from Superdrug and Boots, so I do recommend that you buy it. I bought one of our friends this foundation for her birthday and she still uses it. So really carefully around your eyebrows if you have done your eyebrows first. Otherwise I just go back in with my mini sponge to go around the top of them.
And they brought in this axe that made it easier to get done.
Foundation is pretty much all blended out. I'm going to take the e.l.f. concealer to put on my eyes, on my chin and on my forehead. Now I just take my mini sponge to blend that all out. I just drag that right up to my corner of my eyebrow. It just makes it look like you bring your eyes back a little bit and widens them. Taking the Beauty Bakery flour powder and this is just to set just underneath my eyes and I put a little bit on my chin as well and just anywhere that I get really oily. And I just take another Real Techniques sponge, I don't know what this sponge is called. I just put a little bit under my eyes. I don't do as much as you would if you were baking, but just enough to set. Any that's left on my sponge I just put on my chin. And I just bring it around the corners of my mouth as well, on my smile lines. Okay, so I'll set the rest of my face. I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte. I've hit pan on this one, but I do have a new one, so I'll just use this on a Real Techniques powder brush and just blend it in all over my face. I know a lot of people who don't like putting powder on everywhere, but more likely chance of your makeup staying on if you powder your whole face. I take a smaller brush to dust anything away that's still under my eyes. Right, so moving on to brand, I'm using the Bourjois. This is just a bronzer that they have, and it just opens like a book, and it smells like really, really good. On this is a BH Cosmetics brush, and it's very, very pretty. I'm thinking about making an Instagram for like makeup tutorials, like really, really quick ones. But I want to wait till we've got a few more subscribers to do that. So if you do want to do that, then subscribe and comment that you want to see me make that, because I do really want to do it. So I just put a little bit on my forehead as well. Well, now I actually dipped my nose in it. Right, for blush I'm using a Sleek blush. This has just got 3 different in. It's like corally shades, and I just mix them all together. And then just put it on the top of my cheekbones. I also dust a lot of it on the tip of my nose as well. And this is for like under the eye area, and I'm just going to take the purple shade that I put on the outer corner and this one here, which is obviously a light pink as well. Now I'm going to blend it out quite low today, I think. Here's where like the clown makeup comes in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a small line just under my eyes and then a small line on top of my eyebrow. Just really carefully, just go quite light as well. And then draw the same, match it up to where you've drawn it underneath, and then just do it on top of your eyebrow. Take like quite a fluffy brush and just blend that out, just up and down. Just keep blending it until it's a lot more smoky. You're probably best using that quite a fluffy brush to do it as well. I'm taking like a bright pink colour, this one here, and I'm just going to blend that out and mix it with this purple one actually. And then just blend that around the black. Blend on top of the black as well if you want. To keep the bottom one is like more precise, just blend on top of it instead of blending around it. Now I'm just going to do it on the other eye as well. Okay, so I've done both eyes and it looks like this, and it's just like, it's all about the blending really, just to mix the black and the pink together. But I'm just going to curl my lashes. Now I'm going to take the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. I feel like a clown is like the most easiest Halloween costume nowadays, because obviously you can style it however you want. Like you can even wear like even like a nice dress if you wanted to, but it's all about the makeup really. And usually I don't put a lot of mascara on my bottom lashes, but because it's quite a dramatic look obviously, then I think it needs to be a bit more mascara. I'm going to highlighter now. I'm going to take the Jeffree Star. This is the Peach Goddess highlighter, if I can ever open it. And so it just looks like this. So I just put it on both sides of my cheekbones. And then a little bit on the tip of my nose as well. And on my cupid's bow. Okay, so last but not least, I'm doing lips. I'm taking a sleek lip liner and a L'Oreal lipstick. So the lip liner is in the shade... It's in the shade Raspberry. So I just overline my lips, and I don't do like... I do it over my cupid's bow just to make them look a little bit more plumped. This is the lip paint, and it's in the colour Hollywood Beige. So this is the finished look, and obviously it is quite simple. It was really easy to do, and it's really wearable for parties and if you just want to do clown makeup really. Alright, so if you did enjoy that video, give it a big thumbs up, comment and subscribe on all our other videos as well. Follow us on our social media, which are all linked in the description box below. Right. I hope you have a happy Halloween. Bye!